Hey, it is your girl Amori and I'm back with another one. Today we are doing a lace closure quick weave bob. So y'all know we gotta start with the braid down first. Then once we finish the braid down, we're gonna sew that last braid up and connect it to the rest of the braids. Now I'm sectioning her baby hairs off. Her baby hairs are really low, so I always use her real baby hairs instead of the fake ones that's on the closure. So I'm just sectioning them off right now. I'm spraying the rest of her hair back to mold it into her braids. Now here I'm taking out the HD cap. I'm cutting her ear tags in the cap. Now once you get the cap on, you're gonna mold the cap down to her head with the holding spray. After you're finished molding, use your lace tint to spray your cap. Then we're gonna cut the strips off of the closure. I usually cut 3 inches away from the hairline. Now you go in and spray your lace tint and your holding spray. And then we're gonna put our first layer of glue onto the cap. This is the hair we're using today. We're using 12-inch Empire for her bob. Now we're going in with her first pack of hair. I put the glue on the track and I keep cutting until we get to the ear. Then when I get to the ear, the top of the ear, I usually stop, and that's when I start the horseshoe method. Now before we start our horseshoe method, we're gonna go to the front and cut the cap off. Now here we're gonna start our horseshoe method all the way around, and we're gonna continue to do this until we get halfway done. At the halfway mark, you wanna stop and add your 5 to 7 layers of glue because you're about to lay your closure down. When you lay your closure down, you want to make sure you press that closure in with the comb. I always use the tip of the comb to massage the closure into the glue. After you get your closure down, you're going to sew it around. So that strip that we left on the closure, that's the main part that you need to sew down all the way around. Now that you're done sewing, you can continue your quick weave. So remember, we're doing the horseshoe method and we're just cutting the tracks at the end of the edges of her head. Now once you get that last track down, we're going to get ready to mold the hair into place. So you're going to part and section the hair out, put some holding spray on it, and use your hot comb to mold everything into place. Keep molding until you get to the part where your client wants her hair parted. Mine is getting the middle part, so that's why we're gonna mold it in the middle. Now that I'm done molding, I'm going in and I'm tweezing her part to make it a little thicker to look more natural. Once you're done tweezing your part, you can go ahead and cut your lace off. Make sure you cut it in a jagged line. Then you're gonna go in and start plucking your hairline. Pluck the hairline on both sides. Then you go in and mold the hairline back into place with the hot comb. Now I'm going in with my razor and I'm cutting her edges, or baby hairs, and now I'm getting ready to lay them down. Now that we have our baby hairs laid and slayed, we're going into the cut. So she's getting a bob. I usually section it off at the ears. I cut the back, and I always go in with my clippers. The clippers are going to give you a more clean look to your bob, a clean cut look. Now I'm sectioning off her hair so I can bump it. And this is how it came out. I love it, y'all. It was so cute. She loved it too. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I got more coming, more tutorials for y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye. Have a baby by me, baby, be a millionaire.